Hi, I'm Arshana Daniel, URK 19CS1094. Today we are discussing on the topic basic Unix and Linux commands. So we can go to the first question. List the contents of user's home directory including the hidden files. For that we are giving the command as ls-a. So we got it. The next one is list the content of var directory. So we are giving the command as cd/var. Then it printing. Then create two directories named directory 1 and directory 2. We gave the command as mkdir directory 1 and mkdir directory 2 and ls. It will print. After that, create a hidden directory with your name. So for that we are giving mkdir our name and ls-1. So it will print all these things. Then display Julian dates. For that we are giving cal-j. It will print the date on July 2021. Then display the calendar of 2020. For that we are giving cal 2020, so it will print the calendar of 2020. Then copy the file or etc. or password file to current directory with sample.txt as the file name. So for that we are giving mkdir. I'm giving as etc etc, and then cd etc, then touch password, then cd, then cp etc or slash password sample.txt. Then we give ls, it will printing all these things. After that, create a file text1.txt using vim editor with the following contents to it. So we created a table in that display the student names who are having research interest as grid computing. So for that we are giving grep-w grid computing test1.txt. So it will print all the students who are interested in grid computing. Then list all the student names and register number in the class. For that we are giving awk print 1 test1.test. It will print all the names. Then for register number it will print awk print $2 test1.txt. It will print all the register number. List the count of students who are interested as image processing and store the result in another file. For that we are giving grep-w image processing test1.txt. So it will give the students who are interested in image processing. Then display the first two rows and last two rows in another file. To get the first two rows, we gave cat test slash underscore 1.txt slash head hyphen 3. It will print the first two rows, and for the last two rows we will give cat test1.txt tail hyphen 3, so it will print the last two rows. Then for printing the whole table, we give grep.test1.txt. Then display the contents of the file test1.txt without any blank line. So for that we give cat test1.txt. It will print all the names, register number and research interest. Then move the file sample.txt from directory 1 directory to directory 2 directory. So we are giving the command as for move mv sample.txt directory 2 slash sample.txt cd directory 2. When we give ls, it will print sample.txt. Then change directory into directory 2 directory. So that for that we are giving the command as cd directory 2. So when we give ls, it will change to directory 2. Check whether file sample.txt is present there. So that uh, for that we give ls. So the file is there. Rename the file sample.txt with new.txt and check whether sample.txt is there or not. So we are giving the command as touch sample1.txt ls sample.txt is there. Then we are giving move sample1.txt to new one.txt. So it is changing to new one.txt. Then remove the directory 1. So we are giving the command as rmdir directory 1. So it will remove the directory 1. Display the last three lines of the file text1.txt. For that we are giving tail -3 test1.txt. So it will print the last three lines of the file. Then display all the commands you have executed so far and save the list into a file name today's history.txt. For that we are giving history greater than history.txt. So it will print the whole thing. After that we will save this list into a file named history today's history.txt. It has saved. Then how many files are present under your home directory? For that we are giving the command as ls/wc-1. So 52 files are there. Performing sorting of 3 files and store the sorted files in the fourth file. We are giving cat file1.txt. In that we are giving 3 frosty greeny cryptics, and in cat file2.txt we are giving Valorant Apex Warzone, and cat file3.txt we are giving Radiant Apex Predator LV1151, and we are giving touch file4.txt, and we are sorting the file1.txt, file2.txt, file3.txt to file4.txt. So we are giving cat file4.txt. The whole thing is printed under file4.txt. Change the permission of your newly created file such that the group users and other don't access any type of access. For that we are giving chmod -r file4.txt, cat file4.txt. So it is permission denied. So thank you.